Hey, I wanted to do a build in public type video for what I've been working on, what I'm finishing up today, and what I should be able to deploy tomorrow. Finally, I've been spending in, I don't know, weeks and weeks cleaning up the data set. When I built my research system to research the companies, I messed up and allowed duplicates to be researched, so that created a lot of cleaning up logic because employees were associated with specific companies, and like how to determine if a company was a duplicate because the name might be different. The same company might be in the database with a slightly different name, a slightly different website. So I had to like standardize a lot of things and deduplicate, and then clean up the employees and all this stuff, and then make sure all the data was embellished as much as possible and as good as possible. So what I'm finishing up today, so the company search page has no duplicates anymore. Hopefully, I haven't seen any. You can go check out employees here. I need to clean this up still, this layout, but it's not a huge deal. I finished the recently funded page, some of the logic. So there's a select all on this. The select all is surprisingly annoying to do. I hadn't finished it on the company search page, but it's finished on this. The reason it's annoying, one of the reasons, is like users have to unlock companies to export information. So it has to keep track of companies that are displayed versus companies that are displayed and unlocked versus companies that are not displayed but in the filtered results, all that stuff, versus a pagination, right? So select all will come to this page soon. I need to just finish up that feature, but it's available here. Also, for people who buy a golden ticket deal, which is like the highest level lifetime deal, and then they get infinite credits, and since credits aren't tracked really for them, there is around here there is a what do you call it, like a export all filtered kind of button. So it's just easier for them to get companies out. But in order to get the data ready to be published, which should again happen tomorrow, Tuesday, let's see, just November 19th, just to kind of hold myself accountable. All the filters should work, everything should work. I need to go through these search filters, there's a specific kind of data, like a data set, option set, that these filters look at. So I had to make sure they are all set up for each company, and that took time too. But yeah, the filters work. I'm trying to figure out how to make everything faster. Gotta move everything to an external database, but that will be a considerable amount of work. But that should make everything faster in the future. Let's see what else to show off. That's about it. I want to do an employee search page. It's mostly finished. I hit a data architecture issue, which was part of the reason I spent so much time redoing all this stuff, this data. Yeah, and also I'm adding monthly pricing for the first time. I still have lifetime deals, and hopefully people buy those because the cash up front is great, but now I'll have monthly pricing too, and it's all discounted for the first people. The first 100 users that get on monthly will get a discount for life. But yeah, if you have any questions about how any of this works or what to do with it or how to use cold email marketing to promote your startup or your service, let me know. But yeah, I'm excited to get this launched. Hopefully tomorrow. I'm just finishing up, and I'm double checking and making sure everything is dotting my I's, crossing my T's before I push it live. And because I don't want to disrupt any of the current users, but I'm basically swapping out the entire data set. So there will be a little bit of hopefully not disruption, but a little bit of downtime. But yeah, if you have any interest in reaching out to SaaS companies, I have unique data. If you know people who market as SaaS companies, please share it. But yeah, thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Cheers.